Hello everybody and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Lazypay for EMI repayments. Now, Lazypay offers EMI option primarily through their cardless EMI feature at partner merchants and potentially by converting eligible transactions of personal loans into EMIs via the app. The first thing you need to do is initiate an EMI payment that is a cardless EMI at partner merchant. What you do is go to a website or app of a merchant that has partnered with Lazypay for cardless EMI. Add the desired products to your cart and proceed to the payment page. Look for Lazypay among the available payment options. It might be listed under Pay Later or Cardless EMI. Within the Lazypay payment option, choose the cardless EMI or a similar EMI plan. Then choose the desired repayment period. It could be 3, 6, 9 or 12 months if options are available. Review the EMI details including monthly installment amount or total cost. Confirm the purchase, often with a one-time password for first-time users or for verification. Now, after doing this, you need to manage and repay your Lazypay EMIs. Yes, after getting the loan, you must manage and repay your Lazypay EMI. How? You open your Lazypay app on your smartphone, navigate to the repayments or EMI section. You can see it can be related to your outstanding due statements or active EMIs. Find the specific EMI plan you wish to manage. The app will show you the total EMI amount, number of installments, the amount paid, the remaining balance, and the due dates for upcoming installments. You can make a payment through manual payment. If a payment is due or you wish to pay in advance, there will typically be a pay now or repay option. Tap on it and choose your preferred payment mode. It could be net banking, debit card, or UPI to complete the transaction. You can also pay through auto repayment, which is as if you set it up. If you have set up auto repayment from your bank account, the EMI amount will be automatically debited on the due date. Ensure sufficient funds are available in your linked bank account. You can use the app to keep track of your payment history and see which installments have been successfully paid. It's as simple as that. It's important for you to consider eligibility and KYC because you need to be eligible for a Lazypay credit limit and complete your KYC verification process through the app to use their services, including EMIs. Partner merchants. You see, the cardless EMI options only available as specific online and offline merchants that have partnered with Lazypay. Also consider the billing cycle. You see, Lazypay has defined billing cycles and your EMI due dates will align with these cycles. The app will provide you with the specific due dates for your EMIs. Also consider timely repayments. Ensure you pay your EMIs on or before the due date to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit history with Lazypay. Hope you found this video helpful.